Hey, welcome back to the Plumbing Gurus, the on-site edition. We're back at the White House. We're in the lower section here. This is actually the house. The other section's a garage and a studio. So right now we're standing in the master bathroom. This whole upstairs here is just one big, gigantic master bedroom bathroom. This is where they live. So this is actually the bathroom. It's really all that. The only plumbing up here is the bathroom, and then there's a laundry on the other side. But it's going to be super cool. We've never done anything like this or seen anything like this. There's going to be a tub here. This is the shower. Then they got a glass door here, and this whole bathroom is glass. Glass here, glass here. They got like big sliding glass doors, I think. Big glass door here, and then there's going to be like a pillar. We got our water lines here. We got like a big pillar here for our valve. So the door is going to open like in here, and then you'll turn this will just be like a big, huge tiled pillar or something with a valve on it. The rest is all glass. Tile, and then a freestanding tub and a freestanding faucet. So we're working with the builder and everybody on how to seal this and make sure that no water gets through the drain, under the tub, under the valve, or anything like that. So we're kind of working pretty hard at figuring that out. So there's that. That's what this is. So we got a kind of go through how I plumb this. Got our 3-inch main stack vent that picks up the whole house, the whole building. This is also venting the 3-inch for the what do you call it? The studio up there. So I came, because I had to go low with my my laundry, and this is all kind of wet venting here. So this is my my clean out to go down. Got my sink here, and then I got my laundry. So the laundry is being wet vented through the 3-inch, and then it's also actually wet venting this toilet. We can show you downstairs, but this toilet runs over here and ties into that, and it's all kind of wet venting as one big bathroom group. And again, there's a laundry on this side. I haven't put the laundry box in. I don't have it yet. We're going to install one. Put a laundry box here. Again, this is going to be, it's one big sink with one drain, but 2 faucets. So, and it's a wall hung sink, and it's going to have just a nice bottle trap. If you don't know what those are, they're just like a kind of a chrome trap they're like a fancy finished looking trap. So yeah, faucet here, drain, and then that vent's up there, and then I just took an 1.5-inch vent this way. And this vent is picking up, there's a 2-inch line that runs this way, and it's picking up the tub and the shower, so that this is actually venting both the tub and the shower by itself. We'll show you downstairs. And then I did drop a vent down. There's a half bath down there, and we'll go through that. I think that's it up here. Go downstairs. A little brighter down here. So yeah, here's that 2-inch line right there where that 1.5-inch vent tied in. And then we got a 2-inch, I left a 2-inch Y off for the island tub, because those island tub drains that we like to install, they have a 2-inch outlet, so we can put a 2-inch trap in. And then another 2-inch Y for the shower, put a 2-inch trap there. It just ties into the main 3-inch. And then right here is that 3-inch stack that goes up. That's that 3-inch wet vent stack that goes to the roof. And then this 3-inch line comes over here, and that's the toilet. And then we just got our water lines. We got our hot and cold. I always like to keep my hots on the top, cold on the bottom. It's how I've always ran my stuff. So if I need to go back and think what's hot and cold, I always know that my hots are on top. That's how I run them. Try to keep them nice and square, as straight as possible, make it look good. Then we come over here. I think that's it over there. So then we got a half bath here. There's another wall carrier in here that we haven't installed. The only reason I'm not installing this one is because I have to wait for that one. So I'm kind of just going to do, there's 3 of them in total. I'm going to do all 3 at the same time so that I can kind of get in the mindset, because they're a bit time consuming. So if I'm doing them all at the same time, I think it'll go a little bit quicker that way. So again, I have a sink. This is a half bath. It's a wall hung sink. The drawings were pretty specific. The drain needs to be exactly centered. Water line's over here because the faucet's here. It's just like this tiny little sink like this that's wall hung. And that's just being vented into that vent that I dropped down upstairs. Well, let's talk about this sump barrel over here. So we got this big, gigantic, come check it out. This is don't drop anything down there. I don't even know what that is. What, 8 feet, 9 feet?
Yeah, 9 feet or something, I think.
So that ties in, and there's a sump pump. There's a drain that goes underground up into a wall, and it's going to pump it out outside. And let's go look at our sweet mechanical room that's 30 inches wide.
We can show this here,
What's that?
this 1.5 inches that's coming up. That's
Yeah,
the
that's the sump.
That's the sump drain. So we
Yeah.
ran that underground, stubbed it up in a wall because they're going to have this this area here where the sump is going to be a finished closet.
Yeah.
So
they're going to cut that flush down to the floor.
So that will just come up and shoot outside, just on the side of the house
That's
there.
right. Okay. And then this is our sweet little mechanical room that we get. So we're going to put a boiler.
Nice and big.
A boiler here. We got a gas line to pick up the boiler. It just runs over to the meter. It's only gas in here, so it's just a 1-inch line. Runs back to the meter over there. All our water lines came here. We put them on air test. We got a kitchen cold and hose bib we ran back separate because we plan on putting a softener in, so we always end up running our drinking, anything to do with drinking, hose bibs, anything like that, we put on hard water. And then, boiler's going to be sitting here. It's going to vent up and out that way. And then we got our hydronic lines here. They're going to tie into that. And it's going to be a combination boiler, so it's going to do domestic and the hydronic at the same time. And then this is our 1-inch line that runs underground, deep enough that it won't freeze, up to the studio area. Same with this 3-inch drain pipe. This runs up to the studio, feeding that. Put an expansion joint here just for any kind of movement. And then it ties in. Got a floor drain here. Just barely made it in, but this was like, I don't know if you remember the video, but there's like a big concrete slab here, so we had to like cut the concrete in a big hole, and it was a bit different.
And then that's our water main feeding the whole house.
And then this is the one that's coming from the city, feeding the whole house. So I think that's, anything else you can think of, Clayton?
No, I think you wrapped this one up.
Sweet. Well, thanks for watching. We'll hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Let us know if you have any comments or questions, and we'll see you on the next one.